Hey everyone, we're working on Blister in the Sun today, a request by the Loog Nation community. So if you also have a request for songs, make sure to drop a comment below and I'll put it in the queue of songs that we're going to learn. Thanks for the request. I love this song. Hey everyone, it's Mr. Will with Loog Nation, where future guitarists start. And today we're working on Blister in the Sun by the Violent Femmes. The riff is so well known, and it's fun that it can be played on the Loog, as you just heard. So let's get into what we're going to do today. We're going to learn the chords. We're going to learn the order of the chords. We're going to learn the strumming, the progression, and of course, we're going to learn how to play that opening riff, which we're going to do right now. It's a long series of notes, but we're only playing about 3 notes. It's just different order. So I'm gonna play it nice and slow all the way through, and then we're gonna break it down. Here we go. All right, so this is open 3rd string, 2nd string, and I'm gonna play, every once in a while, I'm gonna play the 1st fret of the 2nd string. Let's see if you can follow along. I'm gonna go open 3rd string, open 2nd string, back to open 3rd string. 1st fret, 2nd string, open 2nd string, open 3rd string, open 2nd string, 3rd string, 1st fret, 2nd string, open. You see the pattern? Open 3rd string, open 2nd string, open 3rd string, 1st fret, 2nd string, open 2nd string, ending on an open 3rd string. All right, so there is a bit of a pattern. The rhythm is what changes, but the order that we play those notes is exactly the same. The very end, we just end on that open 3rd string. And I'm stopping it with the palm of my hand to make it nice and clean. Let's try it again. And then we do this cool, and I'm just barely laying my fingers on the strings to get this kind of chuck-chuck sound. And I'm just going down, up, down, or da-da, however we want to do it. Nice. So. And that repeats itself. And then this time around, I'm just gonna do a fun thing they do in the song. I'm gonna play a harmonic. And a harmonic happens by barely laying your finger down, not on the dots of the 12th fret, but really hovering over the actual fret. And you'll get, it takes a little practice, but you'll be able to just strum as I'm not even pressing at all. I'm just laying my fingers, but I'm laying it right on top of that fret. For some reason, I like to use my 3rd finger. There you go. So the chords we're gonna play are E minor, C, G, and D. I have to tell you, these 4 chords we've played before. Thank you, Loog Nation community, for chiming in and being a part of this community. You have helped me build a bunch of songs for your library of songs to play on the Loog, and those 4 chords, E minor, C, G, and D, show up a whole bunch. So if you need to, pause this video right now and work on these 4 chords. E minor is very easy. C is just with the 1st finger. G is with our 3rd finger. And then the D is the more challenging one. Okay, welcome back. You've worked on the chords, now let's work on the progression. So the song after the opening riff goes through the first verse. When I'm a-walking, I strut my stuff, then I'm so strung out. It has very similar rhythm to the opening riff, which is kind of like the melody. I'm playing a G, then a C, then a G, then a C, then a G, then a C, then a G. Great. And that happens again. Then we get into the chorus. Let me go like a blister in the sun. Let me go on. Big hands, you know you're the one. So how do we make it sound like the song? There's some strumming options you have available. You could easily just do quarter notes like we just did in the chord progression. You could also play rock eighth notes. You could play twice as fast. Notice that it changes a little bit differently because it's syncopated, but I'm playing like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. That's an option. Another option is a syncopated strum. Let's try that again. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up. Ha ha! Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up. That's pretty fun because now it mimics the lyrics and the rhythm of the song and all that good stuff. Cool. Let's do the chorus. So, let me go like a blister in the sun. Let me go on. Big hands, you know you're the one. So that's just the quarter notes. We get 4 beats for each. I like having a lot of fun with this, so I think it's player's choice. I'm gonna play it like eighth notes and quarter notes, so it'll sound like this. Let me go on. Let me go on. So I'm doing something like down, down, up, down, up, down. I want to, just like there, I kind of snuck in a little syncopated pattern. I want to play down, down, up, down, up. That feels really good. Down, down, up, up, or down, down, up, down. Both options work. I know I'm moving fast, but it's your choice. I just want to pepper this lesson with a few options for you. Down, down, up, down, or down, down, up, down, up. I'm going to do down, down, up, down. Right there, I was just doing rock eighth notes at the end. Okay, why am I having such a good time? Because I love this song, and I just want to show you that there's a lot of ways to fill in the beats and the counts of the song. That's the whole song. We have the opening riff, the verse, and then the chorus. Great, let's put that all together in a play-along. Ready? I'm gonna go a little slower just because you're learning it, and I want to make sure everything sounds really clean, okay? Here's the play-along. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me go like a All right, everybody, that's the end of the lesson. We have rocked out. We've learned Blister in the Sun. I hope you have a good time learning this song on your Loog and proving that the Loog is a real instrument that can play some really cool rock songs. Until next time, I'm Mr. Will. I will see you every Thursday with a new lesson. Thanks.